Oh boy, you ready for this? I'm Rustic Guy. Welcome to my channel. We're going to use the old time as bench grinder, and we're hopefully going to try to remove some of the rust off of this Asian style cast iron tea candle holder is what it really is. So I don't really know what I'm doing. Take some of the rust off. Just trying to get it cleaned up, and that's just a little bit that I did. I'm going to actually get back at it. I just wanted to cut. Oh, don't drop it, you fucking idiot. So I don't know how well it's coming across. That's the edge I just did, and that's what it looks like rusted. So I'm going to go through and try to do this whole thing. Hopefully it won't take too long, but I'm Rustic Guy. This is what we do. We eat, we drink, we paint, we grind, we plant, we just try to enjoy life. I appreciate you watching.